Good evening, everyone. I think everyone feeling well on grace of God because this situation is very worse situation going on. We must follow the COVID protocols, along with must take care of our health to make us strong. Okay. Anyway, now I am going to discuss some other extra concept today because for this concept I like to provide some variety things. Variety things means some concept from degrees and some concept from sentence structure. When sentence is given, to change from simple to compound, compound to complex, what condition you have to follow, how can we follow these rules. Okay. And next we have to discuss some examples from make question. Make question means a sentence will be is given in question paper and in bracket written make a question for this answer. Okay, that particular given sentence is given as a answer, but for this answer we have to make a question. And next, interrogative, negative, take question, everything included here. Let's discuss one by one to get the concept properly. A question written here. I give a question. Rewrite the following sentences and instruction given in brackets. Here, some sentence given and is against each sentence in bracket a word given. It means it implies to transform this sentence to that particular word. Okay. First of all, first sentence is that I know his address. I know his address. Here written complex. It means this one simple sentence and here instruction given to make it complex sentence. Before going to discuss it, we must know what is the structure of simple sentence. We discuss in simple sentence we will get a finite verb, compound sentence which combine two or more sentences by conjunction, complex sentence where we will get one principal clause and other subordinate clause. Okay, but here instruction given to make it complex sentence. So what is the idea? We have to come from our brain because we have to write this sentence, transform this sentence in this way where we will get two parts. One is principal clause and other is subordinate clause. About clauses I discuss in details. Okay, so here the answer will be I know where he lives. I know his address. This one only one finite verb, so this is an example of simple sentence. I know, this one principal clause and this one subordinate clause. So this is an example of complex sentence. This is the answer of this sentence. Next one, I know his profession. I know his profession. I know principal clause. I know his profession. Okay, I know his profession. Sorry, I know what he does for money, for earn money. Okay, sorry. This is the question. This is the answer. It is a complex sentence. This is given complex sentence. Here instruction given to make it simple. Okay, complete opposite. Okay, in first sentence simply given in simple sentence, instruction given to make it complex. Next one given in complex sentence, here instruction given to simple sentence, to make simple sentence. Okay, so what is the answer? I know his profession means who does something to earn money, that is called profession. Okay, so instead of this particular line we have to use a word profession. So what will be the answer in simple form? Simple sentence, I know his profession. Next one, he is poor, he is happy. Here given two simple sentence, here instruction given to make it compound sentence. So we must know the structure. What is the compound sentence? Where two sentences will be combined through a conjunction. Okay, so what will be the answer? He is poor but happy. And next one, he is the boy, he is intelligent, he came here yesterday. Here three simple sentences given. Here given three simple sentences, here instruction given to make it complex. So when we will get the instruction to make it complex, then we must remember the structure where one will be principal clause and other will be subordinate clause. Okay, then what will the answer? He is the boy who is intelligent came here yesterday. This is the complex form of this particular sentences. Okay, and these are the concept of sentence on base of structure. Here instruction given to transform from one to another. Okay, from simple to compound, compound to complex, complex to simple. In this way we have to discuss. Okay, we already discussed it. And next one, I taking example from degree. We know the concept of degree. Everyone know about adjective. Degree is nothing as a variety form of adjective. When an adjective is simplified to one person or one thing, that is called positive degree. When it is compared to others, it is called comparative. And when it is compared in a group or in a family, that it is called superlative degree. So here instruction given and what the question given and what the instruction given. The Brahmaputra is the longest river in Assam. here instruction given to make it positive degree. We know that there are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay, so here it is form given. It is given in superlative form. Like verb list, we also get a degree list in your grammar or in English grammar. So you must remember it. And some degree to transfer it to comparative, we have to add er, est to superlative, and in some other cases more, most. Okay, we will discuss in next class about it in details. Okay, let's discuss this particular sentence. The Brahmaputra is the longest river in Assam. So here the form given, the longest. It is given in superlative form. So in answer we have to write long. Okay, long, but we never use long directly. But we have a structure. We must follow this structure. What is the structure? No other river is as long as Brahmaputra in Assam. This will be the positive degree of this particular sentence. Suppose instead positive degree, if here instruction is given to make it compound, then what? Comparative degree. Comparative degree. Then what will be the answer? Then answer will be that Brahmaputra is longer than any other river. Longer. Long is positive form, longer is comparative form, and longest is superlative form. So here we have to use longer. The Brahmaputra is longer than any other river. We have to compare it any other river of Assam. Next one. Okay, if I take some other example, here not written, here only one sentence given from degree. Suppose she is the most beautiful girl in our classroom. She is the most beautiful girl in our class. This is another example of superlative degree. If your instruction is given to make it positive degree, then what will be the answer? No other girl is as beautiful as her, because most beautiful given in superlative form, and to turn it positive form we have to use only beautiful. Beautiful, positive, more beautiful, comparative, and superlative, most beautiful. So we have to use beautiful instead of most beautiful. But what is the structure we have to use? No other girl is as beautiful as she in our class. Okay. Suppose if this particular sentence given to make or transform it to comparative form, comparative degree, then what will answer? She is more beautiful than any other girl. We have to compare her with any other girl in our classroom. Okay, these are concept of degree. And next I take some other examples from make question, take question, negative, interrogative. Okay, I am talking now. Here instruction given, make a question for his answer. If this particular given sentence is, we take, suppose it is an example of answer, then what will be the question? For his answer, I am talking now. No, definitely it is given in present continuous tense. So question also will be in present continuous tense. What will be the question? What are you doing now? Then answer will be I am talking now. This is called make a question for this answer. Okay. And next one, he did not come to school because of illness. Here also instruction given to make a question for his answer. If suppose this particular given sentence is the answer, then what will be the answer? This is given in simple past tense, so question will be also in simple past tense. Then what will be the question? Why did he not come to school yesterday? Because in question given, he did not come to school yesterday because of illness. So what will be the question? Why did he not come to school yesterday? Okay. Next one, he spent much time. Here three questions given, three instruction given. Make it interrogative, negative, and take question. So from this question, from this sentence, we will get three answers. First of all, I discussed in last classes that when we will get auxiliary verb or helping verb in a sentence, it will be very easy to make it get negative, interrogative, and take question. But when in a sentence be verb or helping verb will not be given, then what we have to do? We have to take help of help of do, does, and did. In present indefinite tense, do and does regarding third person. When in verb we get s or es, then we have to use does, otherwise do. But in simple past tense, did. Here this particular given sentence is an example of simple past tense. He spent much time. Okay. Here verb is given in second form. So first of all, if we turn it to interrogative form, then did he spend much time? When we use did, then the verb will always be in present form. Okay, this is, and at last question mark, this is the interrogative form of this particular sentence. And negative, he did not spend much time. Okay, in this way, did not, when we use did, then the main verb will be always in present form. He did not spend much time. Next one, take question. Take question is when a sentence will be given in affirmative form, the take question will be in negative, and when the sentence will be given in negative form, then answer will be in always affirmative. Okay, so here this is a question. He spent much time. Did not, because it is affirmative form. So what will the answer? Did not he. Next one, C is not good. Sorry, C is not good. Here the question here given in negative form, so answer will be affirmative form is C. Okay. In this way, we have to turn it from variety parts of sentences, variety to take question, interrogative, negative, everything we have to follow in this way. Okay. And this is a concept where we found some examples from sentences to transfer from one to another. Okay, next we're getting the concept of degree with another essential concept, especially for transitions. Okay, transitions. And here also we're getting how from one degree we have to transfer to other degree. Okay, what is the structure, we have to follow it. Okay, next one we're getting some example. I given some example to make it make question, take question, negative, interrogative. Okay, everything with details in this particular class. Okay, what left today I will discuss in my next class. Thank you.